Thank you. Is this other mic here working? Could you hear him? That's bad, isn't it? All this fancy outfit and they don't work. We'd like to have Clarence do one more here. This is one now, and normally in your music like this, one instrument will come in and take a break, everybody backs him up, and then when he's through, he steps back and just starts playing rhythm. The other instrument will come in and just switches off like that, or the voice will come in and lead it. This one here features both the guitar and mandolin at the same time, something a little different. This is another old fiddle tune. It's one called Listen to the Mockingbird. Thank you. Thank you very much. We would like to say that if you do like that kind of stuff, there'll be gospels of all kind, plus a set of our own, just like this one here, only quite a few of them this Sunday at the concert you're having Sunday. It's a all-gospel concert. Our time is about up. There's a lot of other good things to follow here, and we're anxious to get down there and get a seat and see a lot of it, so we're going to leave now. And we'd like to thank you for being so nice to us. And we're going to leave you with a little bit of Shady Grove. Thank you.
Shady Grove, my little miss, Shady Grove, my darling, Shady Grove, my little miss, go back to Harlem. If you see my little miss, if you see my darling, if you see my little miss, tell her I'm going to Harlem. Shady Grove, my little miss, Shady Grove, my darling, Shady Grove, my little miss, going back to Harlem. Every time I walk this road, it's always dark and cloudy. Every time I see that gal, I always tell her howdy. Shady Grove, my little